Welcome to Essential Oils 102. I'm Denise Charles, and I'm going to be sharing a little bit more with you about this very interesting topic of using essential oils. We use oils regularly. We used them on our kids, we used them on our parents, we used them on our pregnant daughter, we used them on our newborn baby, from our granddaughter. We even use them on our pets. We have chickens and cats that we have used oils on hundreds of times, I'm going to say, and gotten them through all kinds of attacks from hawks and wounds and digestive upset, and just there's so many things that these oils help with, and they can help anybody in your household. So I'm going to tell you today about 3 easy ways to use essential oils. First, I want to make sure you watch the Essential Oils Class 101 because that one works best ahead of this one. And if you have, then yay, welcome here, Essential Oils 102. So first we're going to talk about the ways you can use essential oils. So you can diffuse them or inhale them. So diffusing them is using a diffuser, and I did not, let me see if I can grab my diffuser real quick to show you. This right here is a diffuser. This is called the Lala's diffuser, but when you turn it on, it will, let me see, where's the on button? Right there. Let's see if you can see. This one's probably almost empty because I ran it all day yesterday. And so you can barely see. It's coming out right here, but it comes out a lot stronger than that when it's full. So it is probably at the very bottom. But you can diffuse your oils, or you can just inhale them right out of the bottle. Just like that. You can take a whiff of them because they have powerful effects. So I want to remind you, this is my little medicine box right here. I call it my treasure box of all kinds of healing remedies right here. So I'm going to share with you a couple of more of the oils that are my favorites that we use pretty much every day in our house. Somebody is always using an oil. So they just smelling oils can positively affect your mood. It can cleanse the air. It can support your respiratory system. There's so many ways. The first oil I'm going to tell you about is frankincense. Frankincense is called the king of oils because it is amazing. They always say if you're not sure which oil to grab, grab frankincense. It's probably going to help in some capacity. It just has such a huge ability. So it promotes calm feelings. It's anti-aging. It helps cells. It helps with cellular regeneration, which makes a lot of healing happen. So frankincense is a great one to check it out. Let me just share with you real quick in my essential oil book. This is my book, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it too in the next video. But all these oils are in here. You just go in by alphabetical order. Here is frankincense right here. It's got 2 pages because it is amazing. So listen to the top uses. I really am just going to share with you the very first one because look what it says right here. Cancer and tumors. Top uses for frankincense. So that's just to kind of give you an idea of the things that you can do with essential oils. The things that essential oils, actually they're not going in there and healing things. They're going in and making your body heal things the way it's supposed to, because your body knows how to heal itself. It has just gotten very confused with all of the stuff in our foods, in our air, in our water. All those things have just put a burden on our body, and these oils go in and help your body remember how to take care of itself. So that's really, really cool. The next oil I'm going to tell you about is actually a blend. It probably has 5 or 6 different oils in it, but we call it Breathe. And guess what it's for? Man, it opens up airways. It promotes just healthy breathing, clear breathing, whether it's day or night. It opens up your lungs and sinuses. This one gets people off of their inhalers. I mentioned that in the 101 class. This one will help you out hugely if you're dealing with some of those respiratory issues. So one of the things that you can do is just put one drop in your hand, rub your hands together, and then just make a little hole. If your issue is in your head, breathe that into your nose very slowly. If your issue is in your lungs, breathe it into your mouth very slowly. You can feel it just go in and open things up. It's pretty amazing the way it works. So the second way I want to tell you about using your oils is topically. You can apply them topically to affected areas for just local benefits, localized benefits, just whether it's a wound or pain, things like that. You're just going to put it right on the area, right on the spot that hurts. It's really good to dilute it with fractionated coconut oil, which I do not have with me, but we have, doTERRA has fractionated coconut oil in a bottle, and that is your carrier oil for these oils. It's what they use for all of their carriers and their oils and oil rollers and things like that. So Deep Blue is the next oil I want to tell you about. This is a great one to use topically. Man, people love this oil blend right here. So it soothes achy muscles and tension, joints. That's another great place. It eases head tension. You can put it right on, a couple drops in your fingers. Get it on the back of your neck or in your neck, wherever your tension is, along with a multitude of other discomforts. I love putting it on the bottoms of my feet. So I put a drop in my hand, or a drop or two, whatever works best for you, and a drop or two of the carrier, the fractionated coconut oil, and just rub them together. And then just roll it down the bottoms of your feet. If you've been standing on your feet all day long, that is an amazing way to just make your your feet feel like they're walking on clouds. That's what it feels like to me. I love it. And then the third way that you can use essential oils is internally. So make sure that they have the supplemental fats on them. Let's see, what am I going to talk about next? Lemon. Might as well use that one. Essential oil supplement, right there. It says it right there. And it's also going to tell you how to use it. Serving size, 1 drop. For internal use, dilute 1 drop in 4 ounces of liquid. You can put it in orange juice or lemonade or tea or water, or I use this oil in my water every day because lemon is also known as a cleanser or detoxer for your body. So it has this mild detoxing ability to just keep your body cleansed of a lot of the junk that we are subjected to. So this is a great one to use for that. So it's a great cleanser for your home also. Lemon is amazing for just cleaning up any oily or sticky things, sticky label things. You just put a drop on it, rub it around, wipe it off with a paper towel. It's a great one to use. The next one we're going to talk about is tea tree. Tea tree is an oil. Tea tree is also known as Melaleuca. You've probably heard that name. That's more used in the States, but worldwide they call this plant tea tree. And it says it's Melaleuca alternifolia. That tells you what the plant species is right here. So that's the plant this comes from. So tea tree cleanses and rejuvenates the skin. It promotes healthy immune function and it protects against seasonal threats. So every oil has a wide variety of things that it can take care of. So that's why you're hearing all these different things about each oil. There's just so many things. When you go look in the book about them, there's at least 20 things that each one of them takes care of. And it's amazing how well a lot of them work in so many different areas. So next, let me tell you about how to establish a foundation for optimal health. This is the Lifelong Vitality Pack, and this is actually a bigger seller than our essential oils. This outdoes it because of how amazing these are. So this is really what it is a vitamin pack. This has vitamins and minerals, it has omegas, and it has cellular health in it. So it comes in 3 different bottles. And the cool thing about it is it has a money back guarantee, 30 days. If you take these and you don't find a difference, they will give you your money back. So you can, these are formulated with potent levels of essential nutrients, powerful metabolic factors. They have energy, they help with energy and longevity. These are vitamins that I have been taking for 6 years now. Once I finally decided to start taking them, I accidentally got off of them one time because of not ordering in time. And I actually have done that twice. And I know it is not a mistake and it won't happen again. But these have taken aches and pains out of my back that I woke up with every morning. They got rid of brain fog that I thought for a while I had dementia. I thought I had early onset dementia. And this, with all that, this has taken it away. But let me just read to you what's on the back, the list of benefits that comes from taking this pack right here. General wellness and vitality, antioxidant and DNA protection, energy metabolism, bone health, immune function, cardiovascular health, healthy hair, skin, and nails, eye, brain, and nervous system, digestive health, respiratory health. They are gentle on the stomach and they do not contain GMOs, genetically modified materials. So this is our amazing lifelong vitality pack, and you don't want to be without it. That's something you definitely want to consider when you're thinking about your health and trying to make it better. Let me tell you also, if you think you're ready to get started with essential oils, you can get a wholesale account with any of our, you can get a free wholesale account actually with any of our startup or starter packs. So we have these different little starter setups of oils that you would look at. I would help you figure out which one would be best for you depending on your situation in your home. And then you could get that. It's $35 savings if you do it that way with the starter packs. Or you can just buy a single oil if you want to do it. You can buy it retail, but retail is really not the smart way to do it. If you have a wholesale account, everything's 25% off. It's such a great way to go. And if you sign up to place your order on my account, then I will be your educator. And so I do videos on my Facebook page. If you're on Facebook, I do them on my YouTube channel. If you can get there, I train and educate about the abilities of these oils and how to use them, and I show you actual on the spot uses of a lot of things. So it's really fun and we learn a lot together. So if you go to www.mydoterra.com/Denise Charles, all one word, Denise Charles, and my referral ID number is 353-5547. That is how you will get, I will be your educator. If not, you'll just be getting whoever they assign you to. So I'm just telling you, there's pros and cons to that, right? And I would love to be the one to help educate you. It's just something I love doing. I've just learned so much about these oils and we use them every single day. So once you get your oils, check out my next video. It's called I Have My Oils, Now What? And it's video 103. And I'm going to help you learn the simplest ways to manage your new medicine cabinet, right? And I'm going to share with you about my favorite essential oil book, this guy right here, you won't want to live without, and the key to making your own home remedies. So hope to see you there. We'll see you again. Bye.